Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make tree stump cake for Christmas. I already posted bush to Noah recipe on my channel. I will put the link in the description box, please check it out. But this one is easier. You don't have to roll the cake. You can just play with the cream. It's fun to make, so please try it out. Even toddlers can make, I think. Time flies, it's already the year end. Oh my gosh, my daughter just turned 10 this year. I thought I have more time this year. My daughter is joining cheer team and she has a lot of competitions throughout the year. We have to practice together and it's a lot of work. And that's pretty challenging and fun. We enjoy it, so it's nothing stressful, but I just don't have time. Anyway, how was your 2024? Have a wonderful Christmas, have a wonderful year end. Please stay warm, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Here are the ingredients. Let's make the chocolate cream. Warm the whipping cream in a double boiler. Add granulated sugar and the chocolate pieces. Then melt until smooth. Float the bottom of the bowl in ice water. Whisk the cream until soft peaks form. This rich chocolate cream can easily be overwhipped, so make sure you stop right before soft peaks form. My kids requested bananas. Place bananas and coat with cream. Now let's decorate the cake. Sprinkle with chocolate crunch around the cake. Draw a spiral with a bamboo stick. Top with colorful mixed nuts. Place Santa Claus in Christmas tree. Any Christmas decoration is okay. And now it's done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
You bet to don't cry. Toys gonna fire now where you are. Santa Claus is coming to town.
おしまい?
Happy birthday to you.
違う。
僕赤。
いいよ。
じゃあ僕緑。せーの。
ちょっと無理じゃない？僕赤とか。あ、すごい。
なんです
ごい。
じゃあいきます。
今日
メリークリスマス。こういう感じでバナナが入っている。おいしい。はい。これの粒あるじゃん。
はい。
これさ、食べるとさ、木を食べてるみたい。丸太を
かじってるようにシャキシャキしてるのね。
ママ。
はい。
でも僕に言わせて、これ食べるとね、なんかね、バナナとね、チョコレートケーキが混ざった感覚で美味しい。
頭かじってる。やだ。
NC だ。不思議な暗号。ボリアのパスポート。秘密の扉開かない